friends, welcome to Cooking with Kyra. I'm Kyra and this is my daughter Ellie.
Hi!
Today we'll be making garden gnome cupcakes, but first we'll read a story. Our story today is called, Oh, Look, a Cake! Oh, look, a cake!
We should have a party.
Who would you invite?
How about elephant?
Don't be silly. He'd eat the whole cake.
Tiger?
Oh, she'd eat the whole thing too. And then you. And then me.
Peacock? Maybe.
Forget it. That guy won't eat anything prettier than he is. That's true.
What about ant?
That's just asking for trouble.
Why?
Well, if you invite one ant, you've got to invite them all. And have you ever tried cutting a cake into that many pieces? That's a lot of pieces for those ants.
What? This better be worth it. Porcupine?
Only if you like your cake extra spiky.
What about unicorn? He's cool.
Wait, what? That's just horse in disguise. And anyway, he's busy today.
Wow, a camel! There's always dolphin.
Ha! That show-off would do everything but eat the cake. Oh, and there's one other thing.
There's no water around here?
Exactly.
Rhino?
She's trouble.
Taurus?
Sugar does things to him.
Chameleon?
Haven't seen her in weeks.
And python?
Terrible table manners.
But wait, that means there's no one else to eat this cake except...
Hmm? Hmm? Hmm?
Wow.
Oh, wow. They ate that whole cake. My cake! You ate my beautiful cake that I made for my birthday!
We're sorry, Tiger.
Oh, don't worry. I can still get it back. Doo-doo-doo. The end. I hope that doesn't happen with your cupcakes today. All right, friends, now that we've read our story, we're gonna go over the ingredients that you should have received in your bag that you picked up at the New Lenox Public Library. First, you should see a container of M&Ms. And then a container of white vanilla frosting, a container of blue vanilla frosting, a cupcake, and a sugar cone. In addition to the ingredients in your bag, you'll also need a couple of things from home. First, you'll need scissors, a spatula, a knife, just like a butter knife, and a baking sheet if you don't want to get your prep area messy. All right, friends, now that we've gone over our ingredients, we'll get started on creating our garden gnome cupcakes. So first, we'll take our cupcakes out of their plastic wrappers. There's a zip tie that you kind of need to undo. It's not a zip tie, you're right. It's a twist tie, thank you. And then these are gonna be a little hard to get out of the packages because the neck on them is kind of skinny. So I'm just gonna cut my package where it starts to get a little bit bigger, like right where my cupcake is. Or you can tear it like Ellie. That also works. Next,
That's like a good cupcake.
I think they are good cupcakes. Next, we'll take our cupcake out of the wrapper and put it on our tray. Then we're going to take our blue frosting and we're just going to put a coat of the blue frosting down on top of the cupcake. So just on the top. Just a nice layer of blue frosting. And if you get some little crumbs in your frosting, that's okay because we're not professional bakers or professional frosters. So cake decorators, we're none of that here. So we're just doing our best. Nice, relatively even coat is good enough. And we can set our knife down once we have that done. You're doing good. You're doing fine. Get some more frosting on your knife. That might help. Sometimes if you have too little, then we start pulling up the cake. Next, I'm going to take my sugar cone out of my Ziploc bag, and we're actually going to turn our Ziploc bag into a piping bag for our white frosting. Yeah, that's good. So now I'm going to take my spatula scraper, silicone spatula, and I'm going to take as much as I can get out of my container and put it into the bag. Are you doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Put it in there.
Once I have most of my white frosting in my bag, I'll go ahead and zip my bag up and try and get all that air out. Zip it up. And then I'm just going to cut a corner, preferably a corner that doesn't have frosting in it. We can push the frosting towards that corner. I'm just going to snip a little piece of the corner off with my scissors. And now I have a little piping bag. And I'm going to start to move my frosting down towards my corner where I cut my hole. I'm not going to start squeezing it out yet. I'm just going to move it down. That's good. You good?
Yeah.
A little sticky? It's okay if it doesn't seal. That's okay. It's alright if you've got frosting there and it won't seal. Not a problem. First you want to cut your hole though in the corner before you start moving your icing. In like a clean corner preferably. Next, we're going to choose one of our M&Ms to be our little nose on our gnome. So I think I'm going to choose, I think I'm going to choose brown for my nose. And then the rest of my M&Ms, I'm going to pour into my sugar cone. Just like that. Okay, good. You want to choose your color for your nose?
Yeah.
Blue.
I'm very slow at this.
Alright, and then we're going to flip our cupcake down with the blue frosting. We're going to flip it upside down, like this. Pour your M&Ms in. Flip flip up our cupcake upside down, and then we're just gonna put our cone on like a little hat. And it's gonna keep our M&Ms in there. It's a surprise.
I'm trying to get them all.
That's fine. Next, I'm going to take my vanilla, my white frosting, and I'm going to kind of try and pipe a beard onto my gnome. So just like going up and down. I'm just trying to make a little beard on him. And then maybe a little up there. There we go. And then I'm going to put my M&M nose right there. He's got a little nose. Whoop. They get a little heavy with all that frosting on them. But you can see there. Oh, good job. Look at that, so cute. And then we can set them down. And before we eat them, we can pop the cone off for our surprise. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! M&M explosion!
That's fine.
All right, and now we'll try our cupcakes. Are you ready to try your cupcake? Do you have frosting everywhere? Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna cheers. Cheers. And try our cupcake. Mmm. What do you think?
Good. I ate beard.
You ate his beard. Thanks for joining us. Whoops. For Cooking with Kyra. We'll see you next time. Bye, friends.